Hey, my lovers and friends. Hey, hit that subscribe. Hey, hit that like button. Help us out. Help us out. Please. Thank you. I just woke up. I have somewhere to be. And I have absolutely no idea what hair I'm going to put on for today. So y'all seen this Savannah. Loved it. Putting it away, keeping it tight and nice for the next time. So this wig has curls in it, so I typically take advantage of that good old net and box to keep the curls in place. And this is definitely a keeper. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it right here for you to check out that wig review and try on, because she was a winner. So I don't think I'm going to wear that today. And the good old Letty, which was that good 25 something wig, lovely, but a little bit too fancy for today's festivities. So I'm still trying to figure out what is it I'm going to wear. Now, I just wanted to keep it simple, cute, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit of doing it the most, some nice flowy hair, light. It's a nice day outside. So y'all ready? You ready? Are you for real ready? Okay, here we go. This is the FL003. This is a 13x4, and this hair is synthetic, so this is even more affordable. But what I love about this wig is it's giving me all the kinky straight of my life right now. I did get it in a natural color 1B. And here's the card for you guys to see more details. Again, this is synthetic hair. There's no human hair blend like some previous wigs, and it's all affordable. So we're gonna see how this joint tries on and slays. Let's talk a little bit about this wig construction. What I liked about it is it did come with like some super long baby hairs, but they weren't super thick. They were really wispy, although you still need to cut them down. The hair texture is a kinky straight, and you can see the crinkles in the texture. It's not the kinkiest of the kinky straight though. It's kind of a kinky straight yaki. I don't know if you guys know what I mean. I love the parting space. It looked tremendously large, that portion, and it had the traditional cap construction with the track sewn down, comb in the back, and 2 combs at the side. So then I try on the wig, and if you watch my last video, I do have a small head, and so I like to try on these wigs before I even style them. And I noticed that this one as well was a bit tight on your girl's head. I have a small head, so I would also like to share that this is not, to me, big head friendly. There's not a lot of reviews on this hair, which I don't know why, because honestly, it's fantastical. Me trying it on, look at that lace and that parting. It was like very seamless, but it is not big head friendly for your girls. The hairline, you can pluck it and stuff like that. Today I think I was being super lazy, so I didn't do all of that. I ain't gonna do all of that today. And I loved how light the hair was. I was actually pretty impressed with this unit. Now it's time to transform. All right, y'all ready? Let's get into it. I applied this wig using Got to Be Glued, the black bottle. I used very, very little of the Got to Be Glued free spray because it breaks my hair off. I put some powder in the hairline, as you can see here, but it already was very tinted really well for my skin tone, and I like that as well. It brushed through very easy, very minimal shedding, and I had a look. I just plucked out, well, I didn't pluck out, but played with the baby hair. I did cut it down a little bit, and used some Got To Be glue gel to put it on. And on the side as well, since the side wasn't showing, I just pulled out some like sideburns, but it was effortless. Your girl really liked it, and I thought I gave some looks that day. It did last a few days as well. Hey my lovers and friends, thank you for tuning in to the end of this video. I wanted to come back and give you a quick update thus far how this wig has been faring, and I'm glad I did this before I did editing. So you definitely want to stay to the end of my wig review videos because I do wear my wigs. So right now it looks pretty decent. A few things have happened with this wig that have made me extremely sad. I wore it all day. I mean, I wore it hard on. I mean, from brunch all the way to late night at the club, you know, type of thing. And by that time I guess I had worked up enough of a sweat, the wig fell off, so I didn't sleep on it. It looks pretty good, and I may plug some pictures in. Actually, I'm not gonna plug any pictures in. Please go to my IG if you want to see how these wigs wear. Please go to my IG. I was loving it. It's really not as like, it's just a slight crinkle as I want. But the bad news is this. I was putting on the wig yesterday. So thus far I probably have worn it for a cumulative amount of about 24 hours, not back to back. I wore it like maybe 12-14 hours on Sunday, a few hours yesterday, and then I put it on today. But yesterday when I was putting this sucker on, the frontal ripped. The frontal ripped, so it's getting caught in my earrings. I want y'all to see that, like, this part ripped off the wig. And as I'm finding, and as you probably see in the video, like, these frontal wigs, I love them thus far because I have a small head. These suckers, I don't know how anyone on YouTube, and maybe that's why there's not a lot of reviews on it. This is not big head friendly. At least the ones I've been getting, this is my second one I've gotten that has not been big head friendly. So I have a small head, and so it ripped. Once it ripped, you know, I was just out to lunch with my colleagues, and embarrassingly enough, shedding was like, a little bit of shedding was all on the, you know, table, and I was like, oh, boo hoo hoo hoo. But like in terms of like the little lace, I think it looks really natural. I mean, I didn't slay it today. I'm sorry about that. I didn't slay it today, but I was debating if I was going to sew this thing back or not. But just know that the frontal can rip off. I just glued it down and wore it as a side part, and I think that's what contributed to some of the shedding. So I just want to bring you that quick update, and that's it. All right, stay tuned for more of these. I'm loving these, y'all.